So Sexy Smooth sent me their Emerald Enchantment wax, and I'm going to give you guys an honest review. So I started with cleansing the skin. I put a little powder to dry up the cleanser, and then I'm going to go straight in with the wax. Now, I did use quite a bit of wax. I should not have used all of that wax, but we're going to make it do what it do. Now, one thing that I do really enjoy about this wax is the quick dry time. By the time I threw the stick away, it was time to pull it. And look at all the hair. I barely had to go in for cleanups, so that's always a good sign. Now, my room is a bit more on the humid side, so for this wax to actually perform really well in a humid room says a lot. I barely had to go back in for cleanups. As you can see here, I am smoothing this out. I'm going to pull this up, and then there's nothing else left. Really impressed with that. The shipping on this wax was really fast. I've purchased this wax before, not this specific wax, but I've purchased from this company before, and it comes super duper quick. They are a good price point. They're always running deals. So if you are looking for a wax and you're on a budget, this is a great option for you. Now I'm going in on the other end, a little more zoomed in so you can see the process. And I didn't use as much wax on this side, and she still performed really well. As you can see, it is a thinner application, and as soon as I cleaned the stick off and threw it away, it was time to pull. And look at this. Come on now, y'all. That is a really good performer wax. Look at all that dead skin and hair on that strip. They did not come to play. So I did kind of mess up on this one. I made it too thin, and it kind of broke when I was pulling it up, but that was totally user error. That is not on the wax. That's totally on me. Again, with my room being a bit more humid with the thin strip, it just tore the whole way. But I still got it off, and it still did its job. So yeah, if you were to ask me for the price point and would I recommend it? Absolutely. I'm going to actually purchase some more myself. I'm going in with my post wax oil from Bush Balm, and that's it, y'all.